Bonjour à tous, this is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. This is part 3 of the French A1A2 series and today we are going to learn about the days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. Jour means the days and semaine means a week. So let's get started. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. It means that there are 7 days in a week. So let's see what are those called in French. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Répétez après moi, repeat after me. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So let us see what we have learned in this video so far. There are 7 days in a week. How will we say that? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Why I'm saying dans une? Because whenever a word is followed by a vowel, a consonant is followed by a vowel in the next word, then we combine both of them and then we pronounce them together like dans une, dans une. So il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, samedi, dimanche. So that's it for today, guys. This is the end of today's lesson. Your assignment for today is that you are going to practice writing, spelling, and also pronouncing all the days of the week. So see you in the next part of the French A1A2 series. Till then, au revoir.